everybody. All right. Now, let me just go a little bit deeper into my show, what it's going to be. I know I've been talking about it for the last 2 weeks, like nonstop. But, I'm just so excited, and I get the opportunity to bring everybody into the spotlight with me, all the foodies all around Las Vegas, man. We don't, really get the opportunity to shine. But this is our chance. On this show, you can contact us if you want to get up on the show and everything like that, and come down with me to feature a restaurant. And I'd be more than glad to have you on my show and get you in the spotlight, get you, get us foodies what we deserve and everything like that. But on my show, we will be featuring restaurants. We'll be going all around Vegas, maybe, hopefully even California to New York. I'm really excited about Manhattan Fashion Week because I might be able to be a stowaway on that plane if I could fit into JC's suitcase. But other than that, man, I'm really excited about going all from coast to coast and everything like that. Bringing you guys the best dishes and the best food and the hottest chefs and the hottest names and the newest topics in the foodie industry and everything like that. But other than that, man, just tune in and stay tuned because next week we will be at Fist of Fusion Island Grill for my very first episode. We will be featuring Chef Ronnie if he's there. If not, we always got my homeboy out there. Sorry. We got my homeboy out there. He's cooking and everything like that, and we got a couple of my girls in the front. Cherry, she's always a blast to have, and hopefully she jumps on camera. But now let's get to the good stuff. If I could have the beautiful Miss Chantel come on the thing, and we will get this $100 gift card given away. I know a lot of people are waiting for it. So here's the hat. I wasn't really joking when I told you it was going to be the hat. Kind of so mixing it all up, we got a lot of entries here. I hope we don't want to lose that one. That's one entry that we have. If that person with that one entry wins it, man, it's gonna be something. All right, Miss Chantel, if you would please announce the winner for the $100 gift card.
Drum roll!
Shyla May! Woo! Oh, my MC. It's all right.
Hold on. Okay, you can leave now. Yes.
All right.
I have to actually put, because they will see then.
All right, Shyla May, I will be contacting you very soon and get you that $100 gift card.
Can we call her right now?
Yeah. Are we still live?
Yes, we're still live.
Oh, we're still live. I'm still on.
Yes.
And everything like that. Can I actually call her right now?
Yes.
Shyla May, if you are by your phone, you better pick up your phone. I'm gonna call you on Facebook and message.
Otherwise, disqualified.
Yeah.
No,
if not, I'm gonna spend $100 on my way to San Diego to get
No,
you.
with me.
No, you can't have none of this. This was my idea, Maria. All right. Hopefully we can get Shyla May on Messenger. Oh, she's not picking up. All right, we give it one more try.
Yes, one more try.
Don't worry, Shy. If you can't answer right now, we still gonna get you that card. Oh my God, there's confetti everywhere. Shyla, you are on.
Yay!
Good Time Drive, and you are the winner of the $100.
Congratulations! Congratulations, Charlamagne!
Now you need to drive your ass to Vegas. I see you're on your way already. Take your ass to Vegas and come pick up your card and buy me some coffee.
$100. Please actually let us, advertise us to all your groups. Thank you.
Congratulations, Shy. I love you and I miss you, and I'll see you soon when you get to Vegas. I see you're on your way already. Come get your card. I'll call you later. Aloha. Oh, took a picture. All right. So we get all this stuff cleaned up later on. We can borrow Domsy from Easy Show. Like that. But yeah, stay tuned for next week, Wednesday, where we will go and we will feature Fist of Fusion Island Grill. Hopefully we feature some really, really good stuff. I'm hoping the local mofu and we can get the garlic shrimp in there. But my homeboy Justin, I know he's going to take care of me. Right, Justin? I see you over there. Hopefully you're watching. Yeah, I think you're watching. But hopefully you are. And I will see you next week, Wednesday at Fist of Fusion Grill. Back here on Good Kind Grinds. And I hope you enjoyed the pilot episode. And stay tuned next week, Wednesday, 6 p.m. Las Vegas time. And remember, if you're in the Philippines, it's Thursday, 9 a.m. Don't get it twisted. Don't be waiting there on Wednesday waiting for my show to start. It's Thursday in the Philippines at 9 a.m. And Las Vegas time will be 6 p.m. PST on Wednesday, every Wednesday. Good Kind Grinds. I'll see you guys. Thank you guys for joining. Aloha.
Aloha.